My girl looking at me like I gotta change the tire. You want mama to change the tire? You want dad, huh? Exactly. There's no dad. I gotta be dad.
Spoiler alert, we're all blank slates. And if we want to take time to get to know people, nobody's gonna neatly fit into any box. I think men feel that way. I don't know what's a man.
Yeah.
Women feel that way too. Like, what is a woman?
When I am in my boy clothing and I have my hat to the back or if I got a beanie on, it is giving masculine. But I'm also very tapped in and in tune with my femininity. It's like, nah, you're doing too much studs. We don't act like this. My girl proposed to me.
Oh, what?
Yes, you're on one knee as a feminine woman. Like, wow, like you care enough. If I wanted to be proposed to, which like I didn't know I kind of did, this is exactly how I would want it.
Even though that you're thrust into this role of masculinity, you're also still a woman underneath it. So I imagine it to be a little easier in romantic relationships to be like, yeah, but no, I'm not actually gonna do that.